I'm Bhavna from Bangalore. I'm a chartered accountant. It's been 3 years that I've started my practice, but then there's no day that I've sat free and thought about my growth oriented task. It's only after Keval Kishan's training that I've got so much of time that I can concentrate on growth oriented task rather than clerically working on it. I used to work so hard, even if I'm having a team of 7 members. Even then, I used to not find time for myself. There was a huge communication gap between my team and my my team and to me. This was sorted out by the tool that is wonderfully created. It's a beautiful tool, and Keval Kishan's training is very crucial for SMEs, because you're at point of time that you're not able to spend so much of money on softwares, but you still want to have that sophisticated control points, the checkpoints, whatever you want. This is the best training because it trains at the ground level. It is seeing the ground level issues and problems that business owners are facing and providing a proper solution with technology driven solutions, not just solutions, it's a technology driven solutions, making life easier. Thank you.